Hey Nova faculty, this is Julie Quinn. I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to set a home or landing page for your Canvas course. It's a little bit different than how Blackboard had it set up. Blackboard, you'd go to course, you'd go to the control panel, and then you'd go down and I believe in like course tools, tool availability, not tool availability, but in one of like packages and utilities or customization, you could set the landing page there. In Canvas here, it is a little bit different and it requires a couple of steps, more than just one toggle menu. So let me show you what that looks like. The first place you want to go is to your Pages button, because you're going to set a page as a quote-unquote home page, and then you'll be able to, or front page, and then you'll be able to set that as the home page. So those are the two steps. So we'll view all of our pages, and once you choose View All Pages, you get an option to add a new one. You want to add it here and not in the modules, because generally speaking, your front page isn't going to be part of just the week 1 assignments. It's going to sort of be an umbrella for the entire course. So we're going to call this the landing page, whatever you want to call it. You can have a welcome statement. You can have, an instructor bio. If I can spell correctly, you could have an instructor bio. You could add images. You have all of these toolbars. You can add videos, whatever you need to. Once you have saved the file, or saved the page, it looks just like this. It's as basic as you need to be. You can add your syllabus in here. I know a lot of faculty do that, right? Once you've got it, then what we can do is change some of those settings. So you see where it says View All Pages? With the View All Pages, you'll notice that I actually already was practicing with this, and I set my course process as the front page, but I don't want that as the front page. I want my landing page to be. So I'll go over to these little dots on the right-hand side, and I'm going to remove it as a front page because we only want one front page at a time. Make my landing page publishable, and then we tag Use as front page to the page that you want. Okay? The next thing you do is you click on your Home tab. So go to your Home tab, and at the moment it's set for modules, but we're going to change it. We're going to change it to the landing page. So we're going to go over here. This is where you get your course status options, and we're going to say choose home page. And so you have some options in here. The course activity stream is not recommended. It's just a bunch of data that will be confusing for your students. But we're going to do the pages front page because we just set that up. And you see how it says landing page? We're at the moment on course modules. It could be the assignments list, or it actually even could be your syllabus. But let's try the pages front page. So we click on it, and now with home, those are the two little bits of information we added in there. You could have an image of yourself, that welcome statement, your instructor bio. You could attach the syllabus there and here, but you could also make the syllabus your front page. There are just a lot of different options on what you want your front page to be. So let me show you what it could look like. I think I have different setups in 2 of my classes. So one of the important elements to setting up these home pages is whether you want to have announcements on those home pages, and you can do that. So before I show you the 2 that I've got already set up as my home page, what I'm going to do now in one of my current classes is click on Settings, and then you'll be in the Course Details tab. So as you scroll down, I know it's hidden, and this is one of the annoying things about Canvas, is that you then choose more options. And in here, it's actually really a bunch of important sections. Show recent announcements on the course homepage. I click yes, because I want students to see those announcements as the first thing that they see, just like they did in Blackboard. It may not be laid out the exact same way, but this is super important. So this was in Settings, then in Course Details. Then I scrolled down and chose more options at the bottom. Show recent announcements in course homepage, 5 of them, and the rest of those settings are perfectly fine. And of course, you update your course details. Then when you're on your home page, you'll notice there are my 5 recent announcements, and then there is the little blurb that I did as home page. Okay, you can always change your home page on the home page by doing choose home page and then switching some things around. So that's how you set up the home page. The steps are, first of all, to go to your pages, view all pages, add a new page. You can see in this class I have a bunch of them, and my home page is the front page. The other one I called it landing, I think. If you don't want this one, all you have to do is remove it, and then you can add a different one. Then go back home and choose it as your page's front page. Then go into your settings, scroll down under course details and choose more options if you want to embed those announcements. So that's a way for students to see the announcements is the first thing they see every time they log on, and I would recommend that. Let me know if you have any questions, and let me actually just briefly show you my two home pages. So of my current classes, this one has the announcements and the little blurb. This is English 112. And in English 111, I guess I thought I was being cheeky or funny, that I have 4 announcements. This is our home page, and then I added a little image there at the bottom. Let me know if you have any questions.